All right, let's do it. All right, guys, welcome to this Forex event, this webinar where I will basically go over what is Forex, how do you get started, and what's all this you've been hearing about. First off, pat yourself on the back for being here. You could have been doing anything else for the next 30 minutes, but you decided to come here and spend your time wisely and learn some financial literacy. Learn how you can utilize the money that's just sitting there and not doing anything. Okay. My name is Nico Milley, or Nick McMillan. Just a quick background about me. I've been making money online as an entrepreneur for about 3 years now. I've seen a lot of success. I've seen the worst, I've seen the ugly, and I've seen the good. So with that being said, I wouldn't be here right now to show you guys anything that I do not believe in, okay? This particular opportunity caught my eyes for a few reasons. For one, I knew a little bit about Forex and crypto. I held some crypto coins before and stuff like that, but I had no idea about this. When my mentor introduced this opportunity to me, it stood out to me because I realized that this is a skill that you can truly learn and nobody else can take from you, okay? It's a lot of programs out there that I've seen that don't really teach you how to do anything. They just want you to market their product. And that's not the case with this. With this, you don't need this. If this product falls off the map, you won't need it because you will have learned this skill that they're teaching you to where you can make money at any time from your phone. You're about to learn how to multiply the money that's sitting in your bank account, okay? And let's get straight into it. All right, so first I want to talk about a book that I read before. It's called Cash Flow Quadrant, okay? Cash Flow Quadrant by Robert Kiyosaki, okay? Robert Kiyosaki is a financial expert, real estate guru, investing guru, okay? This guy knows what he's talking about. He's been there, he's done that, and he knows the ins and outs of money, okay? So Robert Kiyosaki created this thing called the cash flow quadrant, okay? And it simplifies, it explains basically how money flows, okay? So if you look at this quadrant right here, okay, I want you to look at the left side of this quadrant, okay? On the left side of this quadrant, you have the employee and you have the self-employed, okay? On the left side of this quadrant, this is where 95% of the population is only sharing 5% of the wealth, okay? 95% of the population is only sharing 5% of the wealth, okay? So we have the employee, okay? This is 60% of people, okay? I'm an employee. I'm not here to knock jobs. Jobs will fund your dream until, your side incomes outweigh your job. But employees, this is a very dangerous field to be in 2019 if this is your only source of income, okay? The reason being is because employees, it's simple. You're working for somebody else. You're trading your time for money, okay? This is dangerous because if you get sick, if you got to call in, if you get fired, okay, you're not getting paid, okay? You're exchanging your time and effort for income, okay? Now, I know a lot of you are self-employed, okay? So I know you're like, hold on, Nico, I'm self-employed. Well, that's good. I'm in both. I'm an employee and I'm self-employed. I have a solo ads business, okay? And with self-employees, this is 35% of the population. And okay, so self-employees, the positives, yeah, you get to create your own income. You create your prices. You create your price, your rate. But the only thing that's dangerous about the self-employed category is if you leave, say you leave town, say your business is running smoothly, you got all your clients, everybody know who's to come to for that service. Say you leave the country, you go out of town, you just want a break, okay? Your income stops as soon as you do that. See, so in here you have your doctors, your barbers, your beauticians, anybody that has their own practice or business or service and creates their own price, that's a self-employee. And if you walk away from it for a few months to a year, you come back, your business might be done. Okay, it might be done. Everybody will have found a new person to go to. So that's dangerous. Okay, so that's the left side of the quadrant. What we want to teach you how to do is shift you to from the left side to the right side. You can be in all four of these quadrants if you want. Okay, but we're going to teach you how to shift from the left to the right side. Okay, on the right side we have we have 5% of the population. Okay, sharing 95% of the wealth. Big difference. On the left side, you had 95% of the population sharing 5% of the wealth. Right side, you got 5% of the population sharing 95% of the wealth. Okay, so let's start with business owner, which is basically self-employed times 100. Big business owners, they put systems and people in place to work for them as they build assets. Okay, so if a big business owner leaves his business for a few months to a year, he's going to come back and he's going to have money made. His business is going to be still running smoothly with or without him. Heck, it might be running better. Okay. But the big business owner, you're not going to see him in line at the register, checking out people. His business is going to run with or without him. And that's awesome. Okay. But more specifically, we want to teach you guys how to become an investor. We want to get you guys into the investor quadrant, okay? As an investor, your money works for you, okay? As an investor, you're going to be 1% of the population, okay? 1% of the population. This is where money is making money for you, okay? A lot of people got lazy money. No, we want our money to do work, okay? So say you have $20 in your pocket. As an investor, everybody else besides an investor, they're going to see that as $20, okay? But if you're an investor, you're not going to see $20 as $20. You're going to see $20 as 20 employees. Why are you sitting here? Do something. Go pick that up. You feel me? That's what we want to teach you how to do. You know what I'm saying? And there's plenty of ways to be an investor, okay? You got real estate. You got drop shipping, which is more investing on advertising. You got a lot of ways to invest. Stock market. Okay, but specifically, we want to teach you guys how to be an investor in the foreign exchange market. And I want to explain what that is. Okay, so what is Forex? Forex is the foreign exchange market. Okay, it's similar to the stock market, but it's much bigger. The stock market, you have about $24 billion exchanging through the stock market daily. Okay, you can catch some of that. You can get some of those dollars. But in the foreign exchange market, it's $5.3 trillion a day being exchanged through the foreign exchange market. How is that? I thought stocks was the biggest market. No, the foreign exchange market funds the stock market. It funds the real estate market. You can trade cryptocurrency in the foreign exchange market. You can trade metals, oils. It doesn't matter. Okay. So a lot of you are still asking, what is Forex? Okay. So let me give you another example. So there's plenty of countries, for any of you who've been out the country, when you go to that country, you got to exchange your currency for theirs. Okay. So let's use Canada, for example, it's right there. So say you take $100 to Canada. Okay. You're going to exchange your 100 USD for their Canadian dollars, right? Okay. So to say you come back right after you do that, or hell, you have a vacation, you don't come back till a few days later. And let's say you don't spend any of that money, just the $100 that you converted to Canadian dollars. Let's say you don't spend any of that. You come back to America, convert it back to USD, you're either going to have more or you're going to have less than what you started with, okay? That's because the price fluctuates, the rate changes, okay? And this is happening every second of the day. And we're teaching you and showing you how to do that and take advantage of that from your phone. You don't have to travel, any of that. You can take advantage of these price fluctuations, these foreign exchanges from your phone. It's truly, truly awesome. It's 24 hours, 5 days a week, okay? And you can trade without owning the physical cash, okay? A lot of people just now hearing about Forex is for pretty much one reason. One reason why you're just now hearing about Forex, okay? Up until a few years ago, this wasn't accessible to the average person. You had to be wealthy to even participate in the foreign exchange market, okay? You had to have, to be exact, you had to have $3 million in net worth and $100,000 cash just to participate, okay? If that's what it took today, we wouldn't be having this call right now. A lot of y'all would have just signed off right now. But that's not the case anymore. Now, thanks to retail brokers, all you need is a minimum of $10 to start your trading account. Okay? A minimum of $10 to start your trading account and a Wi-Fi connection. You can take advantage of this from your phone. Okay? And you can also trade cryptocurrency. A lot of you heard of Bitcoin. A lot of you heard of Ethereum, Ripple. Okay? Guys, as a Forex trader, you would have already, that stuff would be exciting. Like, remember when Bitcoin hit 20,000 and Ethereum hit 1,300? The world was excited. People were starting to buy Bitcoin, just holding it. Think it's going to reach 50,000, which it will someday. But as a Forex trader, whether the price goes up or down, it doesn't matter. When Bitcoin dropped from 20,000 and 3,000, 2,000, normal people were laughing at traders because the price of Bitcoin went down, But as a Forex trader, whether the price goes up or down, we make money, okay? How? Say the price, say you see the market about to go up. You see the chart about to go up, okay? You're gonna get in on a buy, okay? And this is what separates us truly from the stock market besides the amount of money. So say you see the market about to go down, whatever pair you're looking at. Then you wanna get in on the sell, okay? So you make money when the market goes up or goes down. And then you're gonna catch your profits and close out. And we're gonna teach you how to do that consistently and with skill. Okay. So who created Our Markets Live? And how does that relate to the Forex? Our Markets Live is different from Forex. Our Markets Live is a team of experienced traders that's teaching you how to do this with skill and knowledge. Okay. Forex is the Forex market. That's concrete. It's always there. It's always been there. Okay. Our Markets Live doesn't trade for you. They don't take anything from your trades. They don't make any money off your trades, anything. All they're here to do is simple. They're here to educate, empower. Educate, empower, and enlighten you. That's it. Their goal is simple, okay? So we have our CEO, Christopher Terry. He created Our Markets Live. He's been trading for about 25 years, longer than I've been born, okay? We also have our Chief Financial Officer, Isis Delatorre. She has about every finance and business degree you could think of. She knows her stuff, okay? We have Alex Martin, our Executive Vice President. We got Ivan Tapia, our Vice President of Sales. Shout out to Mexico. And Jason Brown, Vice President of Field Operations, okay? Guys, we have a strong team of leaders. I've actually met Alex Martin. He's great. But why did they create this? They created this because the average person couldn't get their hands on this type of knowledge, okay? The Forex market, the wealthy, remember, only the wealthy could participate, and at that, they didn't even know what to do. So they paid $50,000, like up to $50,000, probably more, for 3-day courses, okay? Probably went on a nice vacation. 3-day courses on how to be effective and trade in the Forex market with skill, okay? And once that 3 days is over, that's it. That's the course. This team right here, they made this affordable and accessible for the average person. Very, 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 I'm very grateful for this. I'm very grateful. I'm very grateful for them. They made this very affordable and accessible to the average person so they can get their hands on this knowledge. It's not like it's too hard to learn. Guys, it's basic financial literacy. It's money. It funds everything. It's always been around. We were just never taught this. We were never taught this. Okay. We got kids teaching this to their parents because they're not even old enough. They're not even 18 yet. But we got them teaching this to their parents. And once they turn 18, they're going to be okay. They're going to have money to fund their dreams. Money isn't everything. If you're a good person before you have money, you're going to be a good person with money. If you're a bad person before you have money, you're going to be a bad person with money. Money isn't everything, but it'll fund everything you want to do. Okay, so let's start off into the products. IML Academy. Okay, this is your brain. This will teach you the basics, the intermediates, and the advanced levels of Forex. Okay, it's over 100 videos. Okay, and all of these videos range from about 6 minutes to 12 minutes long. Especially, that's good for people who have short attention spans like me. They make it simple to learn because this stuff is simple to learn, guys. It's basic. It's basic. It's just stuff we was never taught. Okay, so IML Academy is, like I said, it's your brain. It's going to teach you everything you need to know: what a pip is, how to take advantage of uptrends, downtrends, periods of consolidations, what are major reversal areas. They're going to cover all this stuff. Proper risk management, technical analysis. Okay, everything you need to be a successful trader. And then we have iMarkets Live TV. Okay, I like this product because I can just pull it up and watch it at any time. Okay, so what is IML TV? IML TV is basically you watching an experienced trader mark up a chart on a live market, so you can basically learn a new strategy and you can get in on the same trade signal that he's about to call out, that he's marking up. He's going to tell you what the market's about to do. All you got to do is take advantage, watch, learn. Guys, you're going to get really good with this. I've been doing this less than a year. Okay, I've seen a lot of success. I've been making some good money trading. Really good money. I have a whole investment team and we call our trade signals to each other. You can be a part of that. Harmonic scanner. Okay, harmonic scanner, if you look down here at this picture right here, that's basically what it does. It scans the market for you. It shows you what it's about to do. It shows you the major reversal areas. It shows you, okay? It provides very, very pivotal information, okay? And it caters to a lot of trading styles. A lot of people trade. A lot of people have different trading styles. And the harmonic scanner caters to everybody, okay? It scans the market for you, so you don't have to do it. And then we have the web analyzer, okay? The web analyzer is going to show you the setups you want to take, okay? They're going to tell you when to get in and when to get out. They're going to show you how it's looking, how it's not looking, what's the hopes. You know, web analyzer sets up the market for you. So harmonic scanner scans the market. Web analyzer sets up the market for you, okay? It's a really, really good product. And then we have Gold Cup. Okay, Gold Cup is a live Forex community that they specifically focus on gold. Okay, you're gonna learn that when you start trading Forex after this video, you're gonna learn that there are a lot of pairs out there. You know, you got the US dollar paired with the Canadian dollar, like the example I gave. You got the British pound paired with the Australian dollar. You know, there are a lot of pairs you can take advantage of. And you're gonna learn that you can all you need to do is focus on 1 or 2 pairs, make that your best friend, learn it, okay? And you can get rich off 1 pair. But Gold Cup specifically calls out trade signals for gold, okay? Gold is a really, really good pair. I've been making money off of trading gold. They give you signals for gold. So all you got to do is copy, paste, and profit. Simple. Okay, and then we have our night owl session. Then we have our night owl session, okay? Christopher Terry has this every Sunday night, okay? He's the guy that's the CEO. He's been trading for about 25 years plus, okay? So he basically, every Sunday night, he gives you an overview of the market, what pairs to look at, and what he thinks the market is going to do, okay? And then we have swipe trades. Swipe trades is my personal favorite because say you don't have time, say you're too busy, like me, I'm always on the go. I don't always have time to mark up a chart real quick, okay? What swipe trades does is it scans the market for you. I'm sorry. What swipe trades does is it sends you a notification of what trade to take on what pair, whether it's a buy, whether it's a sell. They're going to tell you exactly what to do. So all you have to do, once again, is copy, paste, and profit. Copy, paste, and profit. That's all you have to do, guys. Me, I love the IML Academy because I like to, teach myself and learn the skill myself, which is not hard. You're going to get good enough to where you're calling out trade signals. We got people in our investment team in Birmingham, but it doesn't matter where you are to join. But specifically, most of us are in Birmingham, Alabama. We call out trades to each other. People that's been trading less than 3 months, calling out trades to each other. We're all winning. This academy is that good. It really teaches you how to do this. Then we have Swipe Coin. Swipe Coin is the cousin of Swipe Trades. Swipe Trades calls out, fiat currency pairs and, all types of signals. But Swipe Coin specifically focuses on cryptocurrency, okay? So they're going to tell you whether, we think Ripple or Ethereum or Bitcoin is about to go up, get in, make this money. We think it's about to go down, get in on the sell, catch these pips, make this money. That's what Swipe Coin does, just like Swipe Trades. They're cousins, Swipe Trades and Swipe Coin. Swipe Coin focuses on cryptocurrency. One of my favorites as well. And then we have Pip Talk. Pip Talk is basically the community, your favorite educators. They're going to be in contact with you. You can ask them any questions at any time. And besides from them, you got people like me and other leaders that's a part of my group that will help you as well. You're in on this call because you know somebody that I know that got you in here. It wasn't me. Okay. So how much is this going to cost? It's going to cost about $195. That's going to come to about $217 after tax. And then it's going to be $145 a month. Okay. That's going to come with your IML Academy, which is your brain. All the educational videos you need. IML TV, experienced trader, chart marking up live charts live. Then we have the harmonic scanner, scans the market for you. Night owl session every Sunday night. And we have Pip Talk, the community. Okay. Guys, I've been trading less than a year, less than 6 months. And on average, I've been making about, over the past month, I've been making about $100 a day trading, if not more, sometimes less. But on average, I've been making about $100 a day trading. Okay. A year from now, I'm going to be making about 300, 500. And guys, you don't even have to trade every day. That's just me. So when I first saw this monthly payment, I was like, it's a no-brainer. That's nothing. Ask yourself this. For $195 one-time payment and $145 a month, can you not see yourself eventually making $200 a day with this skill? Guys, this is that powerful. It's so powerful that you can take this skill and go work in the bank if you wanted to. How about this? Did you guys know that the money that's sitting in your bank account is not just sitting there? You're already participating in the Forex market. You don't even know it. This is what the banks do with your money. This is how the banks make money. They take your money that's sitting in your bank account and they put it in the Forex market. And they make stupid money, okay? And they put your money back in your bank account. That's how you get that 0.8% return a year, okay? Guys, you could take this skill and go work for the bank if you wanted to. If you wanted to, which I doubt you would, because you're going to be making money with this for yourself. You're going to become your own bank. But guys, you can take this skill and go work in the bank if you wanted to. If you can go look up on Google after this call, look up on Google Forex traders, job postings for Forex traders for banks. You're gonna see multiple banks hiring Forex traders, okay, paying about 180,000, 250,000 a year. Why? Because it's real. It's real. You're gonna be making them billions, okay? And they're gonna be paying you a small little 250K a year, which that's a lot. I mean, it's pretty good, you know. You're gonna be making more money than a lot of people you know. But imagine the amount of money you're gonna be bringing in for yourself, doing this for yourself. Okay, and then you got Swipe Trade, Swipe Coin, Web Analyzer, all these add-ons you want that'll just help you become more of a successful trader, okay? I don't want to battle a philosophy that's been programmed in our mind for years, since we were born, like literally programmed. We were programmed to think a certain way, okay? We were always taught, always told from everybody, money does not grow on trees. Money does not grow on trees. Are you serious? Money does not grow on trees. But guys, I want to battle that philosophy, okay? Money does grow on trees. For one, it's paper. And that's where paper comes from, you know? And two, you have to see it as a seed, okay? You have to plant it. You have to invest in it. You have to grow it, okay? Money does grow on trees, okay? So obviously, you know, 145 a month, now that you see that it's not that much, we're going to offer you something else. Our Markets Live, remember, Our Markets Live is the educational platform that's going to teach you how to trade in the Forex market, okay? Our Markets Live is saying that if you share this opportunity, share this wealth code with two people, either two people you like, two people you know, two people that you know want to learn how to make money from their phone at any time with the money that's just sitting in the bank account, okay? If you just refer two people, your subscription is free. No 145 a month, just a one-time payment, okay? Your subscription is free. You're going to be learning and earning for free, okay? Who here doesn't know two people? Guys, it's that simple. But even if you don't, eventually you'll be making $200 a day with this skill. Guys, don't get left behind. This is basic financial literacy. You're going to have 15-year-olds doing this as soon as they turn 18 after teaching their parents. Lives are changing, okay? There's not going to be a middle class. There's going to be a lower class and an upper class. Which one do you want to be a part of? The middle class is about to be taken by robots and artificial intelligence, okay? You need to take advantage of some type of skill that's going to separate you and make you financially independent. And why not with this is the most basic form of financial literacy and a way to make money from your phone. I'm going to give you the opportunity, okay? So at this point, you should already know what you want to do. I want you guys to get in contact with the person that put you in front of this, that told you about this opportunity, and tell them that you want to become a trader. You want to multiply your money that's just sitting there. And you care about the legacy you're going to leave behind. And you can see the future just like me. You know what's coming, okay? So this next part I'm about to go into is completely optional. You know, you can just be a Forex trader if you want. That's all you have to do. But this next part I'm going into is how you can become not only an investor, remember the 4 quadrants. We're going to teach you how to be an investor. And if you want, this part is optional, okay? We're going to also teach you how to become a big business owner, okay? So in a business owner, basically, they say you refer 2 people, you're 2 in free, okay? So let's say you want to refer more people than just 2 people, okay? Remember, you don't have to do this. This is optional, okay? So say you want to refer 1 more person. So now you got 3 people you told about this opportunity and how they can better themselves. Now you're making $150 a month residually, a whole separate stream of income, totally separate. 2 different accounts, okay? And let's say you decide to share this wealth code with 12 people, okay? Now you're making $600 a month, okay? They're paying you this weekly. So 600 divided by 4, that's what you're getting paid weekly, okay? And say those 12 people put 3 people on, you put some more